Your cocky Instagram photographer friend says, bro, do you even know what that little circle with a slash through it even means? And you're gonna say, damn straight I do. Have you seen the shirt I'm wearing? You don't have to say that. But what you do have to say is, damn straight, I do know what that means. And that means a Swedish person wrote some foreign letter. No, that's not what it means either. What it actually means is simply the diameter of the front of the lens. And why is that important? It's important because if you do want to put a filter on the front of your lens, you're going to now know the size to buy. And this is the Nikon Z85mm for the Nikon Z series. And it's circle with slash through it, which I'm sure it has a name, but 67. So you'd buy a size 67 filter for this, and you could buy a clear filter, you could buy a neutral density filter, a polarizing filter, a bunch of them. In other words, now you know.